Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on OpenSea. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in opensea.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official OpenSea website from which you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the login button at the top right corner. Now, after you log into your account using your wallet, you will find the account icon at the top right corner as well. Now, if you wish to delete your account, just hover over to your account icon and then click on the settings option. This will then take you into the settings page. Now, from the settings page, scroll over and click on account support, and then you will find various different options regarding your account. Now, if you want to cancel or block your account, the only option is to scroll down and click on the drop-down menu alongside help with a compromised account. Now, underneath describe your issue, you can click on other and then click on I understand that I must complete an identity verification process. Then simply click on the lock account option and this will lock your OpenSea account. If you wish to permanently delete your account, the only option is to contact the OpenSea support. So click on the drop-down menu for contact OpenSea support and then click on submit a request. Now from this page, just select my account and then enter your email address. Then select edit my account and underneath what would you like to do, you can choose delete my data. Then underneath your wallet address, you can type in your wallet address and underneath the subject section, you can simply type in delete my account. Now underneath within the description page, you can type in that you don't want to use your OpenSea account anymore and that you want your account to be deleted permanently. After typing this, you can click on the agreement of the privacy policy checkbox, and then if you have any attachments, you can also upload by clicking on add file. Finally, click on the submit button and your request will be sent to the OpenSea support team. Just wait until you receive a response and you can simply follow the instructions within your email that you receive to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on OpenSea. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.